All right, welcome everyone. I'm in Yucatan, and today I'm gonna try octopus for the first time. I'm gonna prepare it, but I'm gonna get help to prepare it though. But I'm gonna do most of it. And right here, ooh, let's take a look. Ooh, yeah. Never thought this was possible. Eating octopus. So I bought it. It was 1 kilo for 130 pesos. That's about $6.50. All right, so let's get right into it. So I have a soak right here. Let's get to the next step right now. Now I'm gonna add the ingredients. So I'll let it stay like this for 10 minutes. Then I will add the octopus. Now I'm gonna add the octopus. I'm gonna put all three in the water as it's boiling right now. I'm just gonna dip it in there a few times. Ooh. Ooh. Look at that. Look what it's doing to it. Look what it's doing to it. And now the last one. All right, now the octopus is ready. I'm gonna try this. I'm nervous actually, but it does look good. All right. Woo. Okay. Okay. Mm. Mm. It was cooked good. It was seasoned good. It's just so chewy. I'm not used to chewing my food that long, but turns out good for my first time. It's not bad at all though. But for my taste, I give it a 4 to 10 because it's not my type of meal, but it's not bad at all. Now I get it. So it only took about an hour to prepare everything and everything ready. My first octopus.